Welcome back to MindlessNerds. Today we are digging into passive income with a showcase of Money4Band. Money4Band is a powerful manager designed to automate bandwidth sharing apps, wrapping them into a high-performance, secure Docker ecosystem. Let's start by running the tool. You'll see the main menu in your terminal thanks to its user-friendly textual interface. From here, we dive into the app list, your centralized catalog for every supported service until now. You can enable different categories or even change your DNS settings for the apps. But let's move straight to the app setup wizard. This is the heart of the tool. It guides you through a completely effortless configuration. Just choose your apps and Money4Band will set them up for you. You can also enable auto updates and toggle notifications to stay in the loop. I'll leave auto updates enabled and skip notifications for now. If you want to scale, tell Money4Band that you want to use proxies. The generator handles all the heavy lifting. Now hit Start Stack from the main menu and let the earnings grow. We have just completed a minimal setup together. While we earn, let's look at some of the advanced tools. Check out the Multi-Proxy menu and use stack profiles, giving every app exactly what it needs to keep the apps run smoothly on your system without affecting it. Money4Band also features a web dashboard to keep your apps in one place. It even generates rotatable API keys for secure remote access. For power users, Money4Band offers also control through integrated APIs. That's all for today. If you like this software, share this video or the project itself, leave it a star on GitHub or consider a donation to keep the project alive and free for everyone. See you on the next video.